Today we are going to explore Canterbury, and we're going to start with the famous cathedral. The Canterbury Cathedral is one of the oldest structures in England. It became one of the centers of pilgrimage in Europe after the death of the Archbishop Thomas Becket. Miracles were said to occur after his murder, stories which are depicted in some of the stained glasses. The cathedral is the seat of the Archbishop of Canterbury, who is the leader of the Church of England. Yep, it's a real cut, just casually hanging out by the window display. House of Secrets. Let's find out. So we found this pretty homeware store. It's a dream store, really. If I ever own a shop, it would be something like this. Also, it's not just a homeware store, it's also a cafe. You can have a boat ride or punting in the river, but we're probably just gonna come back in spring or maybe summer to do that. Go!
Oh, yeah, no? Meet me under the cabin.
So cute, cute. Small wine.
Mulled wine with
Spice rum and
spice rum and a
yes.
slice of orange.
That's it.
Done.
Thank you.
Sorry, we've got till tomorrow. We'll run out of coast.
Hi!
Hi guys, please like, share.